cold. Johnny, look at this!
What is it? Achoo!
Where's Charles?
He's out today because he has a cold.
That's too bad. I'm going to Broomsland this weekend and I can't wait!
Broomsland?
Yep. I'm going on the roller coaster and the bumper cars.
Whoa, sounds great. Achoo! Ugh.
Watch out, Johnny. That's so gross.
Sorry, Peter. Achoo! Achoo!
I can't wait for this.
What's up, Jin?
Welcome back, everyone.
I love the pig mask. That's hilarious.
Jin, do you not feel well?
Jin, are you getting a cold?
There's some kind of bug going around Broomstown.
In that case, it's good you're wearing that mask. It helps to cut down on the number of germs that get spread around through the air.
That makes sense.
Good thing, because I've got one for you, too.
What? No thanks. I'm feeling fine.
Oh, come
get away
on.
from me.
Just try it on, Helly. You look so cute.
Take it, Peter.
Nice pass. And goal! All right, Johnny, I scored.
Peter, I think I need to go home and lie down.
Come on, you're tired already?
Yeah.
Huh?
See you later.
Johnny, you're so out of shape.
Peter, come on, man.
Yeah, all right. Huh. Let's get this half started right. Mom, I'm home.
Yes, I see that.
Nice work, Mom. These look great.
Not so fast. You need to wash these hands first.
I'll do it later.
Peter, Mom and I made those to take to Broomsland tomorrow.
I'll only eat a few. We'll do the petting zoo and the fireworks. Achoo! Tomorrow can't get here soon enough. Finally, I can't wait to go.
Woohoo! I can't believe we finally get to go.
And we couldn't have asked for a better day.
Robert, you packed everything?
I've packed the lunchbox and I've got the camera.
And the mat?
Uh-oh. I'll be right back, sweetheart.
Every single time. Huh? Peter, do you have a cold?
Huh? No, I'm better than ever.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. Here, let me get that.
Huh?
I'll take it. See? Totally fine. Why do I feel so dizzy? I'm sure I'll be fine once we get there.
And now we've got the mat.
Peter! Somebody help!
Peter! Huh? What happened? Oh no! Watch out! Peter!
Peter!
Oh, he's got a nasty cold. I gave him some medicine for the fever.
Thank you, Amber.
Oh, Broomsland. Broomsland.
Just let him rest a few days until he's better.
Okay.
It feels so good to be outside.
Good morning. Hello, Peter.
Hello, Amber.
Hello, Amber. So how are you feeling?
After sleeping like you said, I feel much better. I don't want to be sick ever again.
You can help prevent colds by doing a few simple things.
Really?
If there's a cold going around, it's a good idea to wear a mask to keep the virus from spreading. Washing your hands often and brushing your teeth will help eliminate any germs you may have come into contact with. If you're not dressed for the weather, your immune system can weaken. Be sure to dress warmly on cold days. If you cough or sneeze into your hands, you'll spread the virus to anything you touch. Cover your mouth with the inside of your elbow or a tissue. If you do catch a cold, get lots of rest and drink plenty of fluid. Understand?
Yes, Amber. Hey, Mom, can we go to Broomsland right now?
You're sure you're well?
Way sure. I'm 100%. Achoo!
Maybe it's more like 80.
No, Mom, I'm all better. Achoo! It's just allergies.
Never ever play with fire.
Guys, over there is the cabbage. And there's the lettuce and the yummy spinach.
Wow, look at that. Huh? What are they up to over there?
And if I do this...
What's going on?
You scared me. Charles, come here and check this out. Peter's burning stuff with his magnifying glass.
Huh? Peter, you should never play with fire.
But it isn't playing. It's a science experiment about harnessing the sun's power. Look, it worked.
Whoa! Isn't that fire too big?
Okay, students, gather up.
Right, come on.
Goodbye, children. Come back soon. What's wrong with the light? Fire!
Did you hear? Tracky's house caught on fire.
For real? Goodness, what happened?
They had to call in the rescue team and everything. It was pretty bad.
Oh dear, is Tracky going to be okay?
Do you think we caused the fire at Tracky's? It's weird. Our little fire was out for sure.
Listen, guys, we need to be honest and tell the teacher about the fire.
What? Charles, are you kidding? If we tell the teacher, then all our families will find out, and then they'll tell the rescue team. Then we'll end up in jail or worse.
Oh no! Jail? I can't go to prison!
So the whole thing about what we did at Tracky's will be our secret, and we'll never tell.
But...
Cleanie, did you hear?
Huh?
There was a bad fire out at Tracky's place, and Tracky got hurt.
Really? And was he hurt bad?
Well, he's lying in bed wrapped in bandages.
Huh?
I'm sorry, but I have to confess what we've done. What? No way! You promised you wouldn't tell, remember?
I'm with Johnny. Tracky got hurt and it's all because of us.
Guys, please don't tell.
Huh?
Phew. Then it's settled. No one says a word, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm back.
Hi, Peter. Did you hear? There was a fire at Tracky's.
Mom, I'm tired. I'm going to bed.
I wonder what's bothering him.
Peter, you dropped this on the floor.
Give it here.
Huh?
Peter? I'm so disappointed that you caused the fire.
Cindy, I didn't.
You set Tracky's house on fire.
I never knew our son was like that.
Dad! Oh, Mom! It isn't true!
Peter!
Huh? Johnny! Charles! Why are you in there?
Peter, how could you have done this to good old Tracky? Look what you did!
Tracky, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's all my fault.
Now, what are you guys telling us?
We were playing with fire and we didn't mean it, but the fire at Tracky's was our fault.
It's our fault Tracky got hurt.
We didn't know what was going to happen, though. We're so sorry. So very sorry.
What?
Jen, got some fresh fruit here.
Huh? Tracky, are you okay?
Guys, the fire at Tracky's house was caused by a short circuit.
And so I just burned my hand a little bit.
We're really glad you didn't get badly hurt, Tracky. Hang on. Exactly what did you guys do at Tracky's garage?
Well...
Children, playing with fire is incredibly dangerous. You must never do it again. You should never play with matches, lighters, candles, or magnifying glasses for fun. It could lead to a big fire. Stuff like plastic, paper, toilet paper, and trees are extremely flammable. So be careful, because little fires can turn into big fires fast. And if a fire does break out, always remember, don't worry about getting in trouble. Just call 911 right away.
It'll never happen again.
I can see you boys are sorry, and that's good, but you should still be punished. So, write a 10-page apology letter.
10 pages? But we're so sorry, Jin.
Don't turn back when you cross the road.
Huh? A cat. Were you abandoned? Kevin, we've got a green light. Hurry up. Okay. Oh, I can't. Doug, wait up. Kevin, look out.
Hey, watch it!
I'm sorry.
There's a growing number of accidents recently with children at crosswalks. What do you think we should do?
I'll go and double-check that all the green lights are working properly.
Good. Amber, let's go together. We'll go out to the crosswalks and guide the children as they cross the street.
Soft, like a ninja. There. Kevin, Mommy says come to supper. There! All right.
Huh? What's that?
It's nothing.
Huh?
A cat? It's so cute! Shh! Mom cannot find out.
Kevin? Susie?
Okay, we're coming! Susie, Precious! Thanks for dinner! Thanks, Mommy!
Okay.
Meow, 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 meow.
Go on and eat, Elizabeth! Elizabeth is not her name. Hey, Elizabeth! Aren't you adorable?
Huh?
I'm awake, Susie. What's going on? Elizabeth is missing! Huh? Elizabeth? Elizabeth? Where are you? I think she must have gotten outside. Kevin, poor Elizabeth. Elizabeth! Where are you, Elizabeth? Huh? Come back! Huh? Hey, Susie, wait! Elizabeth! Huh? Wait for me!
Amber, let's see how things look at the 7th Street crosswalk.
Sure.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Susie! I found her! Elizabeth! Meow.
Out of my way!
No, Susie! Look out!
Look out!
Watch out!
Elizabeth!
That was dangerous, Susie.
Thanks for saving us, Polly.
Susie, you have to learn that it's very, very dangerous to turn back when you're crossing the road.
I didn't know.
Okay, both of you pay attention and I will teach you the proper way of getting across the road safely. Are you both listening? You need to be very careful because there are a lot of cars driving on the road. You must make sure all the cars are at a complete stop, even after the light says it's okay for you to walk. Once you cross the road, you must not turn around because cars might not see you coming back. When you have to go back, go all the way to the other side and wait for the next light. And while you're crossing the road, you should not pick things up from the ground, play games, read books, or look anywhere but the street.
Okay!
And if the don't walk light is flashing, then it's a good idea to wait for the next light.
Okay, Polly. Okay, where have the two of you been? Huh? What is that, Susie? Oh my goodness! It's a kitty! Oh, I'm gonna call you Mittens!
Her name's Elizabeth!
I like Mittens! Oh!
You can't change your name!
Be careful on the train platform.
I'm so happy we're going to the beach!
Hey, Mom! Drive faster! You're too slow!
We'll make the train in plenty of time.
Beach!
Oh, you want to go to the beach?
What? The train already left?
Just a minute ago. The next train's in 40 minutes.
That's almost a whole hour! Oh, no!
Ah, a perfect beach day. Hey, dear. What? You're still there?
Yeah, we missed the train, but we'll be on the next one. Huh? Peter?
Yeah?
You're over the safety line! Get back! That's so dangerous!
Oh. Hey, Mom, how much longer till the train is here?
I'd say 10 minutes?
Hey, Mom, what about now?
Peter, didn't you just ask that?
Well, what about now? Or now?
Peter.
The train is approaching the station.
Yes,
Please
it's
stay
here.
within the
It's
safety
here.
line.
All right, here we go.
Peter, don't run on the platform.
Don't worry, Mom.
Peter!
My foot is stuck. Mom!
That's why we don't run.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You seem like you're in a big hurry.
We're going to the beach today.
We're gonna swim and play in the sand!
Oh, the train to the beach is on the other side.
What? Oh, no! Oh, we're never gonna make it to the beach.
Attention passengers. All trains to Broom's Beach are delayed due to a rock
Oh, no
fall.
way! We're gonna
We
spend the whole
apologize for the
day
inconvenience
here.
and are working to fix the problem.
Well, that's all of it.
Huh? Amber, the rocks are all cleared out.
Okay, Poli, then I'll go swing by the train station.
All right, sounds good. You can go now.
Good! Thanks so much, you two. The Broom's line is back in service.
Good luck, Trino.
The train is approaching the station. Please wait inside the safety line.
That was fun! I had the best time at the beach.
Me too. We should go back, huh?
Yeah.
Mommy, I need to use the bathroom.
Oh, okay, then come with me. Peter, just watch our stuff.
Yeah.
Attention passengers. The train to Broom's Beach is approaching.
It's here now? It's earlier than we thought. Hey, Mom, the train's coming. Come on. What should I do? Oh. I'm gonna take care of the bags. Don't miss it. Huh? The bag!
Reno is now pulling into the station. What's that? Oh, it's a child! You have to move! Get out of the way!
Peter! Look out! Are you okay?
That was a really close call, Peter.
I'm sorry. I thought I had to move the bags.
Peter, you need to be extra careful on the train platform. You should never run and play on the platform because it's so easy to fall on the tracks. Always stand behind the safety line while you wait for your train. Don't push or shove your way in front of other passengers or someone could fall into the gap. board the train in an orderly fashion, even if you're in a hurry. If you drop an item on the tracks, never try and retrieve it yourself. Ask a station employee for help instead. You got it?
Yep, thanks a lot, Amber.
Finally! Are we ready?
Yes!
Woohoo! Off to the beach!
All right, it's about time.
And we're on our way!
Buddy to the rescue.
I'm so tired after such a long night at work.
Sweetheart, we'll do the shopping. You get some rest.
Sweet dreams, Mommy.
Thank you, guys.
Buddy, you're in charge, boy.
There we go.
Coco, come back here right now!
Huh? Oh. Oh.
Coco!
Mary, what happened?
Coco took my favorite beret and then she ran away from me. Coco, down!
Mary, Coco's just a kitten, don't forget. Just try and be patient.
That might be hard, but I'll try. Coco, I'm sorry I got mad. Could I have my beret back now? Coco!
Delivery! Is anybody home? You have a package!
Hey there, Posty.
Hello, Sarah. That book you ordered is here.
Oh, great, I've been waiting for this. Thank you, Posty. You've been such a good boy, buddy. Still so tired.
So we're doing fish tonight for dinner.
What? No way! Whenever you make it, the fish gets all burned.
Hey!
He's right, Dad.
I don't do that anymore.
Let's just have spaghetti.
Huh?
Yeah, spaghetti! Spaghetti and meatballs!
We just had meatballs this weekend.
Well, we had spaghetti at the same time.
Looks like we're going back to Plan A. This way to the fish counter.
Aw, Dad!
Hello?
You've been pre-qualified to be entered in a sweepstakes for a trip for two to the glorious...
Not right now.
In the heart of the Hawaiian Islands, all you need...
I said not right now.
And if you act now, you'll be automatically entered for another trip.
Thank you, Posty. Take care.
See you soon! Huh? I need to tell Jin right away!
Jin, what is it?
Roy, there's smoke coming from Peter's house. Please get over there now.
Right, on it.
Hey, it's Roy.
Looks like there's a fire somewhere.
I hope they're all right. They should be careful.
Huh? Oh, no, Dad! There's the smoke! It looks like our house is on fire!
Huh?
Mom!
What is it, buddy? Fire!
Are you two all right?
Roy!
You have to take Buddy and get outside now.
Okay. Oh, my heart's still pounding.
What could have started the fire?
Huh? Take a look here, everyone.
What? What happened to my phone?
I think it's time we go over some rules to figure this one out. Pets are naturally curious, so store cell phones and wires out of their reach. A break in the electrical current can lead to fire or injury to your pet. Chewing on electrical cords can lead to a nasty shock. Be sure to store your cell phone out of your pet's reach. And when you leave the house, make sure your charger is unplugged. Sharp knives in the kitchen can also pose a danger to your pet. So can anything cooking on the stove. Barricading power strips and electrical cords is a smart way to keep pets safe. And never try to rescue your pet yourself in case of a fire, but instead let the rescue squad take care of that for you.
Thanks so much, Roy. And thank you, Buddy, for waking me up. You saved my life.
It looks like a bomb went off in here.
Things to remember around construction sites.
You take care now.
Goodbye! All of this stuff smells so delicious. I can't wait to have some. Hi, Scooby. Hello, Kevin. Hi, Doug. Oh, hi. How are you? Wow. What is that you're eating? It's a berry Danish from the new bakery in town. So it's a delicious pastry with warm blueberry filling, and it's so good. Hey, let me try some. You're right, this is good. Hey, save some for me.
Okay, everyone. Listen up. We have a lot of things happening downtown. Mr. Builder says they're repairing a building and replacing some underground pipes.
Wow, that means the street will be blocked off. Helly, looks like we're going to need a detour. And Roy, will you take care of the safety checks at the sites?
Of course, Poli.
Amber, you and I can post the notices around town.
Sure. Now it's time for everyone to get out there and keep Bruinstown safe. Let's go!
Let's go!
All right, you ready for soccer, Doug?
Sorry, Kevin. There's somewhere I need to go.
You what? Where are you going?
Just so you know, I have exactly 15 minutes to get to the bakery before the strawberry marshmallow cupcakes are done.
The cupcakes? Wait, what kind?
They're strawberry marshmallow cupcakes with whipped cream.
Huh. Well, I guess we can't miss out on that.
And then at 4, the brownies are finished. And after that, they make cheesecake. Finally, around 6 o'clock, I go back for a piece of my favorite fresh-baked apple pie with vanilla ice cream on top.
Huh? Construction?
Whoa! What is going on here?
Whoa! What are they doing?
But how? None of this was here when we went to school.
Oh, goodness. I need to be careful. There's not a lot of room here.
Good thing I'm a compact car.
I guess they're finally fixing up this street.
We should find a different route.
Maybe they're building a new post office.
Hey, you think we're getting a new video game store? Huh, Doug?
That's it! I need cupcakes now!
Doug, wait! Be careful!
I'm mixing of some land. All right, here we go.
Oh, no! Now what? Ow!
Now it's time to pour that fresh cement.
Wait, stop!
Hold on!
No, stop!
Hit the brakes!
What's going on, Roy?
There's a child back here!
No, I didn't see anyone.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
That was really close, Doug.
Yes, it's no joke. Construction sites are dangerous.
I didn't know. We always walk home this way.
All right, both of you, listen up. This is important. You have to be extremely careful around construction sites. For one thing, there's always a lot of heavy equipment coming in and out of a construction site, and small children can be very hard for the trucks to see. Also, there are a lot of bricks and other materials that pose possible threats if you're not paying attention.
Oh, we get it.
And another thing, kids, when those barriers are set up by the crew, it makes it very difficult for cars and pedestrians to share the road, and that can be dangerous. Whenever you see a sign like this one, know that there is potential danger ahead, and walk around the outside of the barriers or cones. And lastly, always be extra alert when walking near a construction site. Your eyes and your ears will help keep you safe.
Wow, construction sites really are dangerous, Roy.
We promise to be careful from now on.
All right.
Thank you, Scooby. I'll see you tomorrow, boys. Hey, we should cut down the alley.
I forgot. We need to go around the construction site.
Ah, this is much better now.
Yeah, I'm glad the construction's finally over with. Kevin, this way.
Hold on. Wait for me.
They finished the construction in time for the big grand opening.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Okay. Hello, could I please have a strawberry marshmallow cupcake?
Hey, what about me?
Oh, yeah, make that too.
The Safety Quiz Champ.
Hello, Amber.
Oh, hi, you guys.
Huh? What is that?
We're having a kids' safety quiz competition. You guys should sign up.
I'll come. I'm not good at that.
Me neither.
That's not true. Think of all the safety lessons that you've learned and you'll do fine.
That's a lot.
Guys, should we do it?
Sure.
Sign us up!
Citizens of Broomstown, welcome to our first kids' safety quiz competition.
I'm so nervous. Don't worry. We've been through so much. We'll be fine.
All right, the first question is, in a storm, is the safest option to find the highest point of land and stand by a pole? Stand by the O for yes and the X for no.
What the what? How am I supposed to know? Which one's right? X. Let's go to X.
And the answer is X for no. Lightning is more likely to strike a tall metal object.
I knew that. We just made it.
The next question. When you're on a swing, always hold tight with both hands.
Not if you're really good at it. Although, there was that one time. I think I'll go with yes.
The answer is yes. If you're not holding on, you could fall and get hurt. Be safe and hold on tight.
I almost blew that.
The next question. Is it dangerous to race your friends on your bikes when you're riding down the street? Stand by the O for yes and the X for no.
Huh? There was that one time I was racing Johnny on my scooter and I totally wiped out.
And the answer is O for yes. If you're too focused on winning, you can really get hurt.
I got it right. I knew it.
Oh my gosh! Peter keeps getting them right.
That's my son.
Watch this video and choose the right answer.
You could do it.
Who is using the stairs correctly in the following examples?
So well.
Option 1, the children playing as they go down the stairs. Option 2, the child sliding down the handrail. Option 3, the child holding the handrail as he walks.
Oh, those times that Johnny and I were playing around on the stairs, I almost got really hurt.
And the answer is option 3.
Why didn't I pick that?
The answer is 1. Always hold the handrail when you're on an escalator.
All right.
The answer is 2. Clean up spilled liquids immediately. And the answer is 2. Ha! Water and electricity never mix.
Yahoo!
Peter might actually win this thing.
What do you mean, might? Peter!
Peter!
And now we come down to it. The last question of the competition.
If I get this, I'll be the champion.
And the question is, what should you do if you're outside in extremely strong winds? Should you, 1, move your body to keep your blood flowing? 2, wear a mask to help prevent the spread of germs? Or 3, seek shelter in the nearest building?
Or ask the rescue team for help.
Johnny, that's not one of the options.
That's a really tough one.
I don't know which to pick. Is it 1? Is it 2? Or it could be 3. They all seem to be right.
Peter, you got this!
Just take your time.
I know you can do it!
It's the last question.
We're rooting for you.
Peter, you can do it!
Think of all the safety lessons that you've learned and you'll do fine.
Amber's right. Moving your body around in cold temperatures helps keep you warm. Wearing a mask helps prevent germs from spreading around. And the wind. Strong winds are dangerous.
If you're outside in a strong wind, you should seek shelter in the nearest building.
Answer is 3. Seek shelter from the wind. Find the nearest building and go inside.
Is that answer correct?
Please be right.
I don't know. Is that the right one? I can't even look.
And the answer is 3.
I did it!
Peter is our safety quiz champion!
Peter, congratulations!
Thank you, Amber. Yahoo! I'm the safety quiz champ!
I give you the champion!
Junior firefighters.
Wow! They have all of the super dragons ever made! I want every muffin ever made.
Come on! We're here to get the flowers for Parents' Day.
That's right, and we have to get back, so come on. Huh?
I got you guys. You were so scared.
Peter!
Huh?
You better run for your life!
Excuse me, could you tell me where the flower shop is?
I'm pretty sure it's on the 4th floor. You could take the elevator right over there.
Great. Thank you so much.
There it is!
Wow, they're so pretty!
Hey there, kids!
Huh?
What can I help you with?
Mister, do you sell carnations here?
Aha! I'm guessing you need them for Parents' Day. Wait right there. Huh?
Oh no, are you all right?
I'm fine. I'm fine. That's a rose. That's not it. Not that one. Here we go. Way in the back. A bunch of...
Huh?
What?
Sir, that's a fire alarm.
What? A fire?
Attention shoppers. Due to a safety concern, we ask that you immediately evacuate the building using the closest emergency exit.
Our exit's by the elevator.
Attention shoppers. Please consult a member of the shopping center staff if you need help exiting the building.
Here, guys. Here, use this to cover your nose and mouth so you don't breathe in any smoke.
Thanks a lot. Hold on, my bag!
No, wait. Don't worry about your bag. We have to go now.
Okay, go! I'm behind you!
I can't get this to open.
Come on! We'll take the elevator!
Huh? No way! If we take the elevator and the power goes out, we'll all be trapped in there!
What? Oh, thanks for letting me know about that.
We can't take the stairs with all that smoke down there!
Then we're gonna have to go back and call for some help.
Everyone get somewhere safe!
Roy, some kids were in there. I don't know if they got out in time.
Kids?
Just take my hand, Cindy.
Okay, Johnny.
What? Guys, the door is locked.
Now the smoke is coming up on the landing.
Please, somebody help! Please help us! Huh? Roy, I found the kids. They're in the north stairwell.
Good work, Helly. I'm going in.
Kids! Guys, I hear Roy! Roy!
I'll get you out. Just step back.
Okay.
Here goes. Is everyone all right?
Yeah, Roy, yeah.
You did what you were supposed to do. You handled that exactly right. Since you never know when a dangerous situation might happen, you should always know where the emergency exits are. If a fire does break out, cover your nose and mouth, stay close to the ground, and get away. Elevators will not work if the power goes out, so use the nearest stairway instead. If you're on a lower floor, go right outside. If you're on an upper floor, exit to the roof. Never lock stairwell doors or store items against them. And most importantly, stay calm and try not to panic. Thinking straight will keep you safe.
Oh man, I didn't handle that situation well. Thank you kids for everything.
No, it's all good. We've just been through fire safety training is all. You're looking at an honorary firefighter right here. Then the smoke started coming, and I let everyone out of the store.
Way to go. I'm proud of you.
Wow, Peter, you're like a real firefighter.
King of the Traffic Safety Quiz.
To solve this, you just do that.
Ah! Like that! That's it! I give up. Huh? They're having a traffic safety quiz.
Are you going to enter it, Doug?
Yeah.
Huh? Awesome! Tim and Toby are going to enter as a team. Are you?
I'm with Kevin.
Kevin and you?
Good luck. I've got a feeling that you'll need it.
Kevin? Do the quiz with me. Please.
Why would I volunteer to take a quiz?
Kevin!
Are they really entering? Yeah, somebody's got to win last place.
I'm in. The traffic safety quiz.
Kevin!
And we're gonna win it.
Oh, yeah!
Good afternoon, lovely citizens of Broomstown. We will now begin the children's traffic safety quiz competition.
Doug, I'm not shaking, am I?
Yeah.
Whoa, I'm nervous.
And now, here's question number 1. How do you safely cross at a crosswalk which does not have a signal?
Answer! You check to see if there are any cars coming, you wait for them to stop, then raise your hand and cross.
Yes, that is correct! The red team now has 50 points. Okay, the next question is, if you are on a bicycle and you want to cross the road, what do?
You get off your bicycle and you push it across the street.
Green team! Correct!
Yeah! Cars can't stop right away because it takes them some distance to brake.
You must always wear a seatbelt every time that you ride in a car.
I pushed a button by mistake.
Kevin! Doug! Come on! Come on, guys! Next question. Who is in the most dangerous situation?
Answer! 4!
Wrong. I'm sorry. Yes, yellow team.
No! That's right. I remember Poli rescuing me when I was at the corner of the street. Yes! The answer is number 2. The corner is most dangerous.
That's right!
Yay!
Yellow team now has 50 points. Now the next question. Where is the proper place to ride your scooter or inline skates? 1, the parking lot. 2, an alley. 3, a construction site. 4, the playground. Yes, yellow team. Can they get this one right?
I remember. Even an alley or side street with less cars on it can be dangerous. You should ride where there are no cars. Answer, playground, because there are no cars there.
That is correct.
Huh? Yeah!
Okay, Here comes the next question. When it snows...
Don't wear white clothes and keep your hands out of your pockets.
You're 18 times more likely to get into an accident, so don't do it. Avoid the road in front of the construction site and take the other route.
Wow, it's a very close game. And now it's time for the final question. This question is worth 100 points. Whoever gets this question will be the winner. What are the 3 most important things you should know in order to avoid car accidents? Yes, green team. Okay, the red team has a chance now.
When you're crossing at the crosswalk and the green light is flashing...
Oh no, that is not a correct answer. Now the yellow team has a chance.
Kevin! Doug! Good luck!
That's right! Remember we were running to Jenny's house? We almost got into an accident while crossing the road.
Yeah, and then Poli taught us what to do.
Number 1, get in the habit of stopping.
Number 2, make eye contact with drivers.
And 3, always keep your eyes on the car while you're crossing.
Yes, yellow team, that is correct.
Congratulations!
We did it! Good job, boys! Good. Now squeeze in and smile, everybody. Great.
Oh!